I'm Quill, and my heart sank in a busy San Francisco cafe, staring at my silent phone, crushed when a dating app match ignored me after I shared my love for writing. At 35, I write novels that touch hearts, but love made me feel worthless. You've felt this pain too, haven't you? Over 30 working hard, yet love feels out of reach, with ex posts calling you, "Women are too strong," and family asking, "Why are you still single?" Last month, Stoicism for Women became my strength. 5 Stoic mindset strategies, turning my hurt into power, my fear into a spark that wins hearts. This isn't about chasing love. It's about knowing your worth, building strong bonds, and shining like a queen. Ready to build your Stoic Reign? Let's start this journey. We're 7 women in a virtual book club, our screens glowing as we share stories of hurt and hope. I'm Quill, a novelist in San Francisco, hurt by dating app silence. Jet, a podcast host in Miami, told her energy is too big for love. Rian, a florist in Seattle, hiding her stress to seem perfect in her marriage. Kale, a life coach in Denver, scared her 40s mean she's too old for love. Ren, an artist in Portland, hiding her drawings to avoid scaring men. Auden, a therapist in Chicago, feeling empty after giving too much. And you, joining us carrying your own quiet hurt. We were lost, our hearts heavy, until Marcus Aurelius' Stoic philosophy showed us the way. You have power over your mind, not outside events. 5 strategies lit our path, helping us shine in love and life. 1. Root your worth. Within every ignored text on that dating app made me feel small, my writing seeming like a mistake. Seneca said, "You can't control what others do, but you can control how you feel about yourself." I wrote 3 things I love about myself: my stories, my kindness, my strength, and said, "I am enough." On my next date, I talked about my novel, and he listened, eyes bright, asking to meet again. Jet, in Miami, felt her podcast energy pushed men away. She wrote her energy, her heart, and stood tall. Her date planned a sunset walk, drawn to her glow. For 10 days, write 3 things you love about yourself: your smile, your courage. Picture a crown on your head saying, "My worth is mine." Journal. How did this make you feel stronger? If doubt comes, say, "I am my own strength." This Stoicism for Beginners habit builds your self-improvement. Share your win with Stoic Reign. Let's cheer you on. Quill's San Francisco apartment was her writing space, but her heart was breaking. At 35, she put her soul into novels, but dates stopped texting when she shared her passion. One said, "You're too into books," and it hurt deeply. She saw ex posts calling writers strange, her confidence fading. Seneca's words helped her. She wrote her strengths, her ideas, her care, and said, "I am enough," until she felt strong. On a date, she shared a story idea, and he smiled, planning another meet. Jet's Miami podcast studio was her joy, but a date said, "You're too loud," breaking her spirit. She wrote her energy, her love, and stood proud. Her date shared her podcast, amazed by her spark. This is your strength. Write 3 things you love about yourself today. Feel your worth grow. 2. Cultivate unshakable calm. A date's "I'll text later" made my heart race, thinking I did something wrong. Epictetus said, "You can't control others, but you can control your reaction." I took 5 slow breaths, in and out, and texted, "I'm here when you're ready." My calm brought him back. He called the next day, voice warm. Ryan in Seattle hid her stress in her marriage, afraid to look weak. She took 10 breaths, staying calm, and asked her husband for a quiet night. He hugged her, their love stronger. For 10 days, when you feel worried, take 10 slow breaths. Picture a calm light in your heart saying, "I keep my peace." Journal. Did staying calm help you feel stronger? If worry comes, say, "I choose my peace." This Stoicism practice is your anchor. Try a 5-second breath now. Ryan's Seattle flower shop was her happy place, but at 34 she hid her stress, fearing her husband would think less of her. At a family party, her sister said, "You look worn out," and it stung hard. Epictetus's words calmed her. She took 10 breaths, feeling steady, and told her husband, "Let's have a quiet night." He planned a cozy dinner, their bond growing. Kale in Denver felt her 40s made her too old for love. A date's "you're so wise" felt like a jab at her age. She took 10 breaths, stayed calm, and spoke with confidence. He asked for another date, drawn to her peace. Calm is your power. Take a breath now. Feel your heart settle. 3. Embrace your truth. I hid my need to feel close, scared of being rejected. Marcus Aurelius said, "Stand strong, like a rock against waves." I told a date, "I want to talk and really connect. Let's meet soon." He respected me. Our dinner full of laughter. Kale in Denver feared her age-scared men. She said, "I need someone who sees my heart." And her date listened closely, their connection real. For 10 days, say one thing you need. Maybe I need time to talk. Picture your heart shining, saying, "My truth is my strength." Journal, did saying your truth bring you closer? If you want to hide, say, "My truth is my crown." This Stoicism relationships habit builds your connections. Kale's Denver coaching office was her pride, but at 40, she felt love slipping away. A date said, "You're so successful," but never called back, her age feeling like a wall. She lay awake, scared she'd never be loved. Marcus Aurelius's words gave her strength. She told a date, "I need someone who sees my heart," and he planned a walk, their bond warm. Ren in Portland hid her art to seem normal. A date's "that's too artsy" hurt, but she said, "I need to share my art," and he loved her drawings, their connection strong. Truth is your strength. Say one need today. Feel your heart open. 4. Ignite your inner fire. I hid my love for writing to seem easygoing, losing my spark. Seneca said, "Know what you want, or you'll drift." I set time to write, told a date, "I'm building my dream," and he smiled, planning a second date. Ren in Portland hid her art to avoid scaring men. She drew with passion, saying, "This is my fire," and her date loved her work, amazed. For 10 days, do one thing for your passion. Write, draw, work. Picture a fire in your heart, saying, "I shine bright." Journal. Did your passion make you feel alive? If you hide, say, "I light my fire." This Stoicism on love habit makes you glow. Do one passionate thing today. Ren's Portland art studio was her world, but at 32, she hid her bold drawings, scared they'd push dates away. A coworker said, "Your art's too wild," and it crushed her. Seneca's words lit her up. She drew a bright piece, shared it on a date, and said, "This is me." He was amazed, planning an art show visit. Auden in Chicago felt her therapy work made her too serious. A date's "relax a bit" stung, but she said, "I love helping people," and he admired her heart. Passion is your glow. Do one thing for your passion today. Feel your fire burn. Practice Stoic gratitude. I focused on rejection, forgetting the good in my life. Friends, family, my stories. Marcus Aurelius said, "Be thankful for what you have and love it." Each night I wrote 3 things I'm thankful for: my health, my dreams, my friends, and felt happier. Auden in Chicago felt empty after giving so much. She wrote 3 things: her care, her clients' smiles, and felt strong. Her dates saw her warmth, their bond deeper. For 10 days, write 3 things you're thankful for. Picture a light in your heart saying, "I love my life." Journal. Did being thankful lift your heart? If sadness comes, say, "I hold my light." This Stoicism for women habit makes you shine. Write 3 thankful things tonight. Auden's Chicago therapy office was her purpose, but at 37, she felt empty, her heart questioning her worth. A client said, "You're amazing," but dates ignored her depth, leaving her hollow. Marcus Aurelius's words opened her heart. She wrote thankful things, her kindness, a client's thank you, and felt alive. On a date, her warmth glowed, and he shared his dreams, their connection real. Jet's podcasts were her joy, but a listener's too much on X hurt. She wrote thankful things, her fans, her energy, and shone. Her date loved her spark. Gratitude is your light. Write 3 thankful things tonight. Feel your heart grow. These 5 strategies, root worth, cultivate calm, embrace truth, ignite fire, practice gratitude, are your Stoicism for Women crown. Quill, Jet, Ryan, Kale, Ren, Auden, and you, we felt lost, our hearts heavy with pain. Now, we shine. Jet's energy wins hearts, her love bright. Ryan's marriage grows, her stress shared. Kale's love blooms, her age no barrier. Ren's art glows, her passion strong. Auden's warmth draws love, her heart full. And me, Quill, my novels, light updates, my worth clear. Seneca said, "Be around people who lift you up. These strategies make you a queen." In love, Stoicism, truth wins hearts. When someone pulls away, say, "I'm enough." Studies show believing in yourself builds stronger bonds. I used to chase love. Now I light my fire and love comes to me. Try staying calm in a tough talk. See them warm up. At work, know your worth to lead. When X posts hurt, speak your truth and rise. This is modern Stoicism for Stoicism relationships, easing worry and boosting productivity. Keep this strong with the morning habit. 10 minutes. Ask, how will I shine today? Write one strategy, like knowing your worth, and note how it feels. At night, think, did I feel enough? Midday, when hurt comes, breathe, am I enough? Weekly, write, what strategies helped me win? Monthly, list 10 things you're thankful for, feeling your light grow. Try a gratitude walk with a friend, sharing 3 thankful things aloud. Or join a friend for a Stoic Reign chat, talking about one strategy that helped you. These Stoicism exercises build a shining life. Picture a year from now, your worth strong, your heart calm, your love bright, your gratitude glowing. You speak truth, light your fire, and win hearts. I'm Quill, once lost in San Francisco's dating world, now a novelist of light. My worth unstoppable, Jet's energy shines, Ryan's marriage glows, Kale's heart dances, Ren's art wins, Auden's warmth radiates, and you're enough. Epictetus said, "You're a spark of light." Start now. Write one thing you love about yourself. Feel your power. Share with Stoic Reign. I'll cheer you on. Subscribe for weekly Stoicism for beginners tips on Stoic Reign, and let's make you shine.